Jamila's heart was a garden of bitterness, her envy for Hina growing wild. Each day she watched Hina, her neighbor, whose kindness seemed effortless. Hina shared what little she had, her gentle spirit a stark contrast to Jamila's resentment. The more Hina smiled, the deeper Jamila's frown became. Jamila's envy festered, coloring her world grey. Hina, meanwhile, lived a life touched by quiet magic. Each morning, she found a silver coin beneath her pillow, enough for bread and a little to share. She never spoke of these gifts, accepting them with gratitude. Every week, new wonders appeared. Fine clothes, delicate shoes, all left by an unseen hand. Hina's life was wrapped in gentle enchantment, a mystery she cherished in silence. Jamila, watching from her window, saw only what she lacked. The seeds of bitterness took root, and jealousy grew. One evening, Hina sat by her window as twilight deepened. A white dove landed on her sill, watching her with intelligent eyes. From the garden shadows, a tall figure in a shimmering green cloak appeared. The stranger moved silently, placing a small carved wooden box on Hina's windowsill beside the dove. With a nod, the figure vanished into the night. The world seemed to pause, leaving Hina with the dove and the mysterious box. The dove cooed softly, then flew away, leaving Hina alone with her gift. Hina stared at the box, her mind swirling with questions. Who was the cloaked stranger? What was the dove's role in this nightly magic? The garden was quiet again, but nothing felt the same. Hina's heart raced with wonder and uncertainty. The mystery deepened. Hina opened the wooden box with trembling hands. Inside, on dark velvet, lay a single roll of parchment tied with silver thread. She unrolled it, but the words shimmered and vanished before her eyes. The message danced just out of reach, refusing to be read. Frustrated, she returned the parchment to the box, the mystery unsolved. From her window, Jamila had seen everything: the dove, the stranger, the box. Jealousy burned within her. She was certain the box held the secret to Hina's fortune. While Hina puzzled over the fading words, Jamila plotted. She would steal the box and claim its contents for herself. Tonight, she decided, the magic would be hers. The line between envy and action blurred. Jamila's heart beat with greedy anticipation. That night, Jamila crept into Hina's room, heart pounding. She found the box glowing faintly on the bedside table. Eagerly, she opened it, only to find a single white feather. Disappointment turned to rage as she snatched the feather. Instantly, a surge of energy knocked her backward. She crashed into a table, shattering the silence. Hina awoke to chaos, her eyes drawn to the open window. The white dove perched there, watching with knowing eyes. Jamila lay stunned on the floor, exposed and defeated. The dove was more than a bird, it was a guardian. Hina realized the magic was both a gift and a warning. The night's events left her wary, the enchantment now tinged with danger. The true cost of envy had been revealed.